Hi guys. There may be times when you want to prevent certain programs from accessing the internet to protect your privacy or improve system performance. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to block programs from connecting to the internet. So let's get started. Here I have installed a test program that perfectly demonstrates how to do it. By the way, I also have a detailed video tutorial on FreeCommander. If you're interested, check out my channel playlist. So when you manually check for a new version, the application naturally connects to the internet. But what exactly happens? Let's find out. Windows has an internal command for this purpose. Open up a DOS box and type netstat-a. Update again. Run the command. Netstat shows information on network connection, routing table, and socket table. On the left side, you see the local IP address, and on the right side the IP address to which there is an existing connection. This is way too complicated. Luckily, I can show another way. System Informer is a powerful tool similar to Process Explorer. It is free. Go and get a copy if you want. Here you can see the FreeCommander process. Click on the Network tab to see the existing connections. So FreeCommander connects to the remote address 92.205.50.98. If you run the update again, you will see what happens live. I can recommend System Informer if you want to learn more about the applications you use. Open a DOS box again. We will find out the URL behind the IP address. Type transit followed by the IP and press enter. This is the URL next to the IP address. Copy it to the clipboard. Open any browser and paste it there. You can't see much, but this is the page FreeCommander connects to for checking for program updates. You probably heard of the hosts file. The hosts file can be used to block the access to certain websites. Now open Notepad as admin. To do so, hold down the Shift and Control button. This is the location of the host file. Open the hosts file in Notepad as administrator. Here is where you can block websites. To do so, paste the URL and add a non-existent IP address like 0.0.0 or 127.0.0.1. Save the file. Let's see what happens now if you try to update FreeCommander. It still works. FreeCommander does not care about the hosts file. If you press F5 in the browser, you will notice the URL can no longer be accessed. Oops, my bad. You need first to fix the entry. Remove HTTP and all the slashes. Refresh the website. As expected, the website can no longer be accessed. But how to block the damn application from accessing the internet? So we will use the integrated Windows firewall. Type WF-MSC to start the firewall. Now define a rule to block the application. Press New Rule. The next steps are simple to understand. We want to block a program. Press Browse and select FreeCommander.exe. System Informer can be useful here as well. Block all connections. Give a name of your choice. Press Finish and you're done. Let's try again. Note that the update dialog is no longer displayed. We have successfully blocked Free Commander's internet access. To enable it again, disable the block rule. Updates work again. That's it. You now know how to block specific programs from connecting to the internet in Windows 11 using the built-in Windows Defender firewall feature. Remember to always double-check the names of programs before blocking them to avoid accidentally disabling important software. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.